Question 8 says you should work out 2.4 plus bracket 2.4 plus 1.2 all squared. So let's do that. Bracket 2.4 plus 1.2 all squared. Solve what is in the bracket. By adding them, you have 2.4 plus 1.2. This gives you 3.6. So this is equal to 3.6 squared. And 3.6 squared simply means 3.6 times 3.6. 6 times 6. Let me erase this. 6 times 6 is 36. You write down 6, carry 3. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. And 3 times 6 is also 18. You write down 8, carry 1. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. So you add this up. You have 6. You have 9. You have 2 and 1. How many places of decimal is 2? So our answer is said to be 12.96. Do we have it there? Yes, 12.96 is this.